Hi students, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. Okay children, in last class what we have learned? Types of houses and meanings. Okay. Okay miss, I will ask a question for you. How do you come from school? How do you come from school? Do you walk? Or do you come from bicycle or bus? Tell me. Okay children, you have to think it. Okay, now we have learned the lesson transport. The lesson name is transport. First we should learn the new words. Okay, let us learn new words. First one, wheel. Wheel. W-H-E-E-L. Wheel. W-H-E-E-L. Wheel. Okay, next one, vehicle. V-E-H-I-C-L-E. Vehicle. Vehicle meaning a thing used for talking people or goods from one place to another. A thing used for talking people or goods one place to another, from one place to another. Okay children, have you understood the meaning of vehicle? Okay, a thing used for talking people or good from one place to another. Okay, have you understood? Okay children. Students, next we will learn astronaut. Okay, a scientist who goes into space. A scientist who goes into space. Okay children, astronaut. A-S-T-R-O-N-A-U-T. A-S-T-R-O-N-A-U-T. Astronaut. A scientist who goes into space. A scientist who goes into space. Next one, tracks. Okay, tracks. T-R-A-C-K-S. Tracks. T-R-A-C-K-S. Tracks. A railway line for trains. A railway line for trains. Tracks. A railway line for tracks. Okay, children. Next one, raft. Next one is raft. R-A-F-T. Raft. A flat wooden structure that floats on water. A flat wooden structure that floats on water. A flat wooden structure that floats on water. Okay children, have you understood? Astronaut and tracks, then raft. A-S-T-R-O-N-A-U-T. Astronaut, tracks. T-R-A-C-K-S. Tracks. Then next one is raft. R-A-F-T. Raft. Okay children, have you understood? Students, next one we will see the shore. Do you like seashore children? As that is a wonderful one, no? Okay, shore. S-H-O-R-E. Shore. The land near the sea. The land near the sea. Shore. S-H-O-R-E. Shore. The next one, sledge. Okay, sledge means, what is meant by the sledge? A sledge, a vehicle without wheels used on snow. A vehicle without wheels used on snow. Okay, sledge. S-L-E-D-G-E. Sledge. S-L-E-D-G-E. Sledge. A vehicle without wheels used on snow. Okay. What is meant by means? Means already in the meaning, no? A way of doing something, that is called a meaning. Means. What is meant by means? M-E-A-N-S means a way of doing something. Good means what? Goods. Things. Okay. Goods. Things. Means a way of doing something. Goods. Things. Okay. Have you understood children? Have you understood? Hi children, next we will learn the meaning of invention. What is meant by invention? That is called also the discover. Okay, anyone we can discover means that is called a invention. I-N-V-E-N-T-I-O-N. Invention. 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 Discovery or finding. Okay, you can find out anything means that is called a invention. Discover. Okay, a discovery or finding out of something for the first time. Okay, you can find out the first time. A discovery or finding out of something for the first time. Okay, children. Next one, space. S-P-A-C-E, space. S-P-A-C-E, space. A vast empty area beyond the sky. A vast empty area beyond the sky. Space means a vast empty area beyond the sky. Do you saw the space? Okay, in the science lesson, then the Discovery Channel also, we have saw that one. Okay, children. Okay, the first one, invention, discovery or finding out of something or the first time. Space, a vast empty area beyond the sky. Okay, children, have you understood? Children, next one, costly. Okay, do you see the costly things in mall and car showroom? Huh? Yes or no, children? Yes, costly. Okay, something for which you pay a lot of money. That is called a costly things. Okay, already mom was told in your house, don't touch it. That is a very costly thing. Okay, you know. Costly. C-O-S-T-L-Y. Costly. C-O-S-T-L-Y. Costly. Something for which you pay a lot of money. Something for which you pay the lot of money. Next one. Petroleum. Okay, petroleum. To move around to see if everything is alright. Petroleum means to move around to see if everything is alright. Petroleum. P-A-T-R-O-L-L-I-N-G. Petroleum. To move around to see if everything is alright. Okay, children, have you understood the meaning? Okay, children, we will learn the next one. Okay, what is transport? The types of transportation, let us learn. Okay, children. Listen, children. Means of transport. Means of transport. We use vehicles to travel from place to place. Okay. Then some move slowly, some move fast. Some move slowly, some move fast. And some very fast. Okay. They move on land, water and in air. Okay. The vehicles that move fast. Okay. They are all also the first one. Van, motorcycle, ship, scooter, auto and rickshaw, bus, car. Okay, that is the vehicle that move fast. The next one, the vehicle that move very fast. Okay, it is move fast only, that is very fast. Jet, helicopter, train and aeroplane. Okay, okay, children. Then air transport. Do you see the air transport? The air transport, aeroplane, helicopter, hot air balloon and gliders are used to travel by air. Okay, hot air balloons and aeroplane, gliders, then helicopter, rockets. Okay, children, have you understood? Okay, then what is the differentiate between the move fast, move very fast, move slowly, moves in water, moves in air? Okay, children, moves fast. What are they? Car, bus, van. What are they? Car, bus, van. Moves very fast. Train, helicopter, aeroplane. Train, helicopter, aeroplane. Moves slowly. Okay, cycle. Okay, rickshaw and bullock cart. Do you see bullock cart? Okay. Moves in water. Okay, moves in water. Boat, ship, yacht. Do you see the yacht? Next class we will show it. Okay, moves in air. Rocket, aeroplane, helicopter. Rocket, aeroplane, helicopter. Now we will learn the spelling. Car, C-A-R, car. Bus, B-U-S, bus. Van, V-A-N, van. Train, T-R-A-I-N, train. Helicopter, H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. And aeroplane, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Cycle, C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. Rickshaw, R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, rickshaw. Bullock cart, B-U-L-L-O-C-K, bullock cart. C-A-R-T, cart. Boat, B-O-A-T, boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Ship, S-H-I-P, ship. Yacht, Y-A-C-H-T, yacht. Then rocket, R-O-C-K-E-T, rocket. Aeroplane, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-A, aeroplane. Helicopter, H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. Children, next one, the vehicle that moves slowly. Okay, vehicle move fast, already saw it. Then move very fast, already saw it. That is the vehicle that move slowly. Tonga, cycle, bullock cart. This is called a bullock cart, children. And rickshaw. Rickshaw is also, we will saw it. We also saw it, that one. Okay, water transport. Ship, boat, yacht and submarine are used to travel by water. Ship, already you have to saw the picture. Boat, submarine, yacht. Okay, submarine, yacht. Okay, children, have you understood? That is called a water transport. Okay, this is a air transport. This one also the plant transport. Okay, the plant transport. Okay, children, have you understood this lesson? Okay, children, we will see the next class. Thank you. Okay, train, bus, scooter, helicopter, aeroplane, ship, car, boat. That is called a transport. That is called a transport. Okay, have you understood? We will see the next class. Thank you.